Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our retirement journey together. Before we start, there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. I'm JC, and today we're tackling a topic that keeps many up at night: retirement. If you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or even early 60s and worried your savings aren't enough, take a deep breath. It's not too late, you are in control. Panic and fear, not part of the plan. A real plan is. Today we're swapping anxiety for action and worry for wisdom. We'll walk through practical steps to downsize your life, simplify your finances, and actually enjoy retirement. Grab a notepad. Let's get to work on building the future you deserve. Alright, let's dive in. The very first step on your journey to financial freedom is understanding exactly where you stand right now. It's like setting out on a road trip. You wouldn't just jump in the car and start driving without knowing your starting point, would you? The same principle applies to your finances. This is your financial mirror moment. It's time to take a long, hard look at your current situation, without any sugarcoating or wishful thinking. List your assets, everything you own that has value. Start with your home value. Get a recent estimate or appraisal to determine its current market worth. Then, list your cars. Use online valuation tools to get an accurate estimate of their worth. Don't forget your retirement accounts like 401k, IRAs, or pensions. Check your latest statements for the current balances. Include any other investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and of course, cash in your checking and savings accounts. Next, list every debt, all your liabilities, the money you owe to others. Start with your mortgage, the outstanding balance on your home loan. Include your car loans, the amount you still owe on your vehicle. List all your credit cards and the outstanding balance on each one. And of course, student loans, everything, no matter how big or small. Don't leave anything out. Now track your monthly cash flow, the money coming in and going out each month. Start with your income after taxes, the net amount you receive in your paycheck or other income sources. Then, list every expense, everything you spend money on each month. Start with housing, whether it's your mortgage payment or rent. Include utilities, such as electricity, gas, water, and internet. Don't forget food, your grocery bills and dining out expenses. Include insurance, such as health, car, and home insurance premiums. List all your subscriptions, from streaming services to magazine subscriptions. And of course, entertainment. To get a really accurate picture, go through your last 3 months of statements. This will help you identify any spending patterns or expenses you might have overlooked. Be brutally honest. Don't try to justify or minimize your spending. Once you've gathered all this information, calculate your net worth. Simply subtract your total debts from your total assets. This whole process isn't about feeling bad or judging yourself. It's about getting mad at waste, at the money you're throwing away on things that don't truly matter. It's about getting fired up for your future, for the financial freedom you deserve. Ignoring the numbers, pretending they don't exist, only leads to increased stress and the prospect of working forever, trapped in a cycle of financial insecurity. Facing them head-on is your first act of control, your first step towards taking charge of your financial destiny. This detailed assessment, this honest evaluation of your current situation, is your battle plan, your roadmap to financial success. It shows you exactly where to cut unnecessary expenses, where to grow your income and investments, and ultimately, where to start making real, lasting changes. Once you see the truth, once you have a clear and accurate picture of your finances, you can stop guessing, stop wandering aimlessly, and start planning with confidence and purpose. By taking this crucial first step, by doing this thorough assessment, you're already ahead of the game, well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics I can cover that will help in our retirement journey together. Plus, don't forget there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. Now let's trim the fat. We're about to embark on a crucial step towards financial freedom, cutting unnecessary expenses. Think of it as decluttering your financial life, getting rid of the things that are holding you back from reaching your goals. It's time to take a hard look at where your money is going and identify areas where you can make significant changes. Review your expenses. Scrutinize every transaction, no matter how small. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even good old-fashioned pen and paper to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Understanding where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. And find every dollar not working for your future. Highlight those areas where you're spending money without getting a real return. These are the dollars that could be contributing to your savings, investments, or debt repayment. Be honest with yourself and identify those spending leaks. Start with subscriptions, streaming gym boxes, cancel what you don't use. Be ruthless. Are you really watching all those streaming services? Is that gym membership gathering dust? Those unused subscriptions are a silent drain on your finances. Food is a big one. Cut back on eating out. Restaurant meals and takeout can quickly add up. Even a few meals a week can make a significant dent in your budget. Meal plan, pack lunches, and stick to your grocery list. Avoid impulse buys and focus on the items you need. Planning your meals and shopping strategically can save you a surprising amount of money. Review regular bills, cell phone, cable, insurance. Shop around and negotiate for better rates. Don't be afraid to call your service providers and ask for discounts or better deals. Many companies are willing to negotiate to keep your business. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Find free or low-cost ways to have fun, explore local parks, attend free community events, or have a game night at home. There are plenty of ways to enjoy yourself without breaking the bank. This isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing your future. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term financial goals. You're not denying yourself, you're investing in your future. Every dollar you cut is a dollar for debt or retirement savings. Imagine the impact of redirecting those funds towards your financial goals. It's a powerful way to accelerate your progress and build a more secure future. Create a zero-based budget. Income minus expenses equals zero. This means that every dollar you earn is allocated to a specific purpose, whether it's bills, savings, or debt repayment. Give every dollar a job. This ensures that your money is working for you, rather than disappearing without a trace. It may feel tight at first, but soon you'll see your savings grow and debt shrink. The initial discomfort is temporary, but the long-term benefits are substantial. You're not just cutting expenses, you're buying your freedom. You're taking control of your financial destiny and creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. For most people, the largest single expense they face month after month is housing. It's a significant portion of our budgets, often dictating how much we can save, invest, or simply enjoy life. The roof over our heads, while essential, can sometimes feel like a financial burden, especially as we approach retirement. Housing is the biggest expense, encompassing not just mortgage payments or rent, but also property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and utilities. These costs can quickly add up, creating a substantial drain on your resources. Downsizing, the act of moving to a smaller or less expensive home, can be a game changer. A strategic move that frees up capital and reduces your monthly expenses. It's about reassessing your needs and priorities. Ask yourself, is your current home truly serving your best interests? Is your house a blessing, a source of comfort and joy? Or has it become a financial anchor, weighing you down and limiting your options? If you're consistently paying for space you don't use, rooms that sit empty, or a large yard that requires constant upkeep, consider selling your current property and moving to a smaller, more manageable home that better suits your lifestyle and financial goals. Or, explore the possibility of relocating to a lower-cost area where your money can stretch further and you can enjoy a higher quality of life for less. Imagine the freedom of eliminating your mortgage altogether, freeing yourself from the burden of monthly payments and building equity faster, or drastically reducing it, significantly lowering your monthly expenses and freeing up cash for other priorities like travel, hobbies, or simply enjoying your retirement. This could mean freeing up hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month, providing you with greater financial flexibility and peace of mind. Yes, the decision to downsize can be emotional, especially if you've lived in your home for many years and have created cherished memories there. But ultimately, your long-term financial security matters more than the amount of square footage you occupy. It's about prioritizing your future well-being. Talk to a real estate agent who specializes in helping people downsize. They can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the process. Research your home's current market value to understand your potential profit and how much you could realistically afford in a new location. And explore all your housing options, from smaller single-family homes to condos, townhouses, or even apartments, to find the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Downsizing isn't necessarily a step down in lifestyle or quality of life. It's often a step up in freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Focus on what truly matters in life. Relationships with family and friends, the the connections that bring joy and meaning to your life. Prioritize your health, well-being, and enjoying the activities that bring you fulfillment and happiness. Be brave enough to consider making a change, even if it feels daunting at first. A change that could ultimately transform your future for the better, providing you with greater financial security and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Don't forget there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. Now let's make your progress stick by automating and simplifying. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts. Pay yourself first. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees and reduce stress. Consolidate old accounts and roll over old 401(k)s into a single IRA for easier management. Use a simple budgeting app to track spending and stay on target. Fewer accounts and automated systems mean less stress and more control. Automation builds momentum. Your savings grow, bills get paid, and you stay on track even on tough days. Take time this week to set up these systems. You're moving from reacting to your finances to directing them. This is how you build lasting wealth and peace of mind. Please don't forget there is a link in the description for your free step-by-step guide to help you on your retirement journey. We've covered a lot from facing your finances to building a system that works for you. Remember, it's never too late to take control. The past is gone. Today is yours. Start with one step. Make a budget, cancel a subscription, or research your home's value. Small, consistent actions create massive results. You have what it takes to build a retirement filled with dignity and peace. If this helped, like and subscribe. Now go take that first step.